Hello everyone, this is Patrick from SiAECOSYS-SEVS Drive System. Today I'm here at our factory and I'm very excited to introduce you a range of electric vehicles compatible with our powertrain system. Okay, now I'll walk you through by this picture. The first row of vehicles, including some medium high-speed vehicles like the Mini, perfectly paired with our 10 kW powertrain system. And this 10 kW powertrain system is a top seller among our buyers. And for the second row, you can see those golf carts. Our 3.5 kW powertrain system can be applied with. And for those side-seating vehicles, can also work seamlessly with our 10 kW powertrain system. And for the logistic vehicles, we recommend our 7.5 powertrain system kit. Our powertrain system kit also supports some high-torque electric vehicles like road tractors and forklifts. Every axle we make is customizable, so just share your vehicle information and we can support you a complete powertrain system tailored for your need. Get ready to get started. Just don't hesitate to contact with me. I'll be here waiting for all your inquiry. Thanks for your watching.